Please subscribe! JNews is an AMP WordPress theme specifically designed for newspaper and magazine blogs, offering a comprehensive solution for all your publishing needs. With JNews, you have the freedom to create a fully functional website with endless possibilities. The theme includes over 120 homepage templates, which are perfect for various types of publishing websites such as news, magazines, blogs, and editorials. You can also easily import one of the demos with just one click. JNews WordPress theme boasts a number of features, including a responsive design that has been tested on Google Mobile Friendly, a header builder with live preview, 7 footer styles, 10 single blog templates, built-in mega menu, 5 template split contents, and carefully inspected tags for high SEO performance. In addition, JNews is optimized for Google PageSpeed as an SEO signal, with website schema using JSON LD, which is recommended by Google. The theme supports Google AMP, SSL, and HTTPS, and is checked for valid HTML using w3.org validator. It also features alt image fallback to ensure your images have alt tags, minified JavaScript and style by default, a super lightweight page, and lazy load image that reduces website size by half during the first load. JNews is PHP 7 ready and compatible with WP Super Cache, with database query optimized to reduce query by 50%. JNews theme comes with clean and easy-to-read code with filters and actions on each element, marketing referral and affiliate integration of JNews review system, and easy integration with Google Ads. The theme supports responsive advertisement for both image and Google Ads and has an integrated email subscriber with widget and visual composer block. It also supports level ads format with anchor and vignette ads, has a very intuitive live preview option panel, and more than 700 options on Customizer, which give you limitless possibilities. With the automatic import feature, the theme can install plugin, import content, and style to replicate demo completed with an uninstall feature. JNews also has full integration with Visual Composer and allows you to add thousands of fonts from Google Font, Typekit font, or upload your own font. It also supports easy translation using its own easy translation tool and offers video documentation access right from your backend.